so in this haircut, we are going to do a one length trim. So as you can see, I've got a center section down the middle of the back with two A-line sections clipped away, and I'm combing the hair, holding the hair in the comb, and just basically going ahead and using the scissors to cut my new length. Now, not a whole lot to explain here other than I'm going to continue to take A-line sections, combing the hair down, using this very first section that I'm cutting right now as my guide to establish the length for the rest of the haircut. So you can see I'm taking another A-line section here on the left-hand side, combing that hair straight down, clipping the hair away right there, just twisting it up, clipping it away. And then basically I'm going to comb that section down. I'm going to use the guide that's underneath to know how short to cut this current section. That's how you basically cut a bob, a one-length trim, any type of outline that you need to establish. You're going to take it in sections, just going and using the previous section as your guide. So you can see right here, got my next section combed down, combing that down, using the underneath section as my guide, and I'm going to pretty much be done with the left side. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. And in this particular haircut, since we are just doing a one-length trim, we don't even have to do any layering. Alright, so now that we've completed the left side, it is time to cut the outline on the right side. You can see I've got another A-line section, and I've combed that section down. And I'm, again, simply going to use the underneath section as my guide to know how short to cut this side. And then once we are all done with the right side, we will be all done with the haircut. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A one-length trim. My model simply just clipped the hair because she is getting ready to rock and roll. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.